Hey everyone, it is Jennifer with DP Addiction Adventures, and you saw on Diamond Art Club's Facebook page, on their website and their Instagram, all the social media, which is right here at the top of their lovely packaging. Little Diamonds by Diamond Art Club has come out with Sparkle Pals. The first collection release is this beautiful Harry Potter series from the Wizarding World. How amazing is this for your hard to shop for Harry Potter fans? I was like, what in the world? First thing, I did not realize at first these are going to be standing pieces. You can collect these, put them on a shelf, put them in your office, put them in your room, put them up as, you know, on your diamond painting desk. I am super, super excited. So yes, look at this packaging. How beautiful is this? Like, here's my hand, right? I have a somewhat small hand. It's a pretty small packaging, meaning like it's very quaint. It's going to be perfect for that hard to shop for person. And it's going to be a great snack size piece between those larger pieces, or for somebody who's brand new to diamond painting who wants to get in. I can't wait to see where they go with this. The one that I have is Lucius. So this is a 4.4 inch by 5.7 inch. And look, we're going to peek. Look at the detail we're going to look at. He's like, oh, I'm about ready to take over the world. Like, look at this detail. Oh my gosh. It's a little snake. Ah! All right, peekaboo. You open it up and look, we're going to dive in. And right away, I'm like, oh my goodness, they did not cut any corners. We have the new toolkit in here. Okay, they also right inside show you everything that you need, what your Pals kit content includes. You're going to get your Sparkle Pal. You're going to get your wooden baseboard. You're going to get, it's pre-sorted, color-coded diamonds. You're going to get your twist and pick applicator. You're going to get your stackable tray with lid and stopper. And you're going to get 15 resealable bags. All right, what's on the other side? On the other side, it's going to show you that you can collect all the Harry Potter characters. So this is fun. So if they come out with more Sparkle Pals, they're also going to be able to show you what you can collect. So you get Harry Potter, and then you've got Hermione, and I'm sorry, I always forget his name. He's probably like, everyone forgets me, right? So these are all the characters that you can get, and then it has how to work, and then of course the Wizarding World characters, and it's from Warner Brothers. Okay, so we're gonna release the staples. And let's get in here and see what we have. All right. So here's your toolkit, and open it up. This is the first time I've seen the new tools, so forgive me if I'm a little in awe or trying to figure things out. But this is my first time. Okay, so here's those 15 baggies that they talked about. Okay, here's the putty instead of the wax. But I did hear that in the kits in the future, they're going to add the wax back in so that people can choose if they want to use the wax or not. But look, they have the Diamond Art Club logo here. They actually attach the 4-placer, and then they give you the 7-placer. Oh, it says Diamond Art. Oh, I love the shape. That feels really good. My goodness, that feels really, really good. In the hand. And I guess you could You could figure out a twisty, but I mean, that feels really solid. And I like that your hand is higher up so that you can see your placements better. All right, let's take the cap off. Okay, so here's, whoops, trying to get this a little bit better. My camera is just not having focus today. There we go. So there's your tip, and you just turn, and they have it so that you have to turn it a little bit hard because they want it to be stable in there because you don't need a lot of putty. So the reason they have it a little bit more difficult than normal is so that the putty stays firm in there for you. So you've got that going for you. And then the reason they give you this putty is so that you can use your multi-placers. How fun is that? Awesome, awesome. And then you have your cap that you can put back on to keep your putty fresh. Okay, so there we go. And then there's tips and tricks on the back. You can take it off and put a single placer on, and then, oh, thank you for your purchase. So this is similar to that other little kit. Excuse me. 20% off your first purchase, kit contents. Yeah, so all this fun stuff. So when you get the big box kit, you get the little pamphlet. All right, so this is the first time I'm seeing this tray. So you get the lid on the side. It has the Diamond Art Club Do What Makes You Sparkle. Diamond Art Club Do What Makes You Sparkle. So it's got the little slide, and it slides really well. We're gonna put some drills in here in just a minute. All right, I like this stopper so much better than the other one. It comes out and in so much easier. This is a very high quality plastic. I don't have a second one to see how it snaps, so I'm gonna have to buy another Sparkle Pal and try to stack. I do think that these are slightly smaller than the ones that come in the boxes. I think the ones that come in the boxes are a little bigger. So let me know down in the comments if you have one of each size, but that's kind of exciting too, that they've modified the sizes based on the size of the canvas. So I think there's 2 sizes out there. So let me know if that's what's going on. Okay, so let's look at some of the drills. See how they fit. In here. So I don't see like a color. Okay, so what they're going to do, let's see if we can, there we go, sorry. So what we're going to do is, you can see in his hair, it's a 2, then a 6 is his face, 1 is the black. Sorry, I gotta touch my screen and that bobbles my phone, so I do apologize. And then on the drills, there's the 1s and the 4 and 3 and 7. And now remember, they don't go in order of the DMC colors. So it's going to look weird to do 1, 2, and then it goes 6, 4, 3, 7, 5. So at first, let's see, you're going to have normal black, Then this looks like it's a fairy dust. It's got some mica powder to it. Remind me in the comments to wear my glasses next time I do a video. I think this is a normal color. And then this looks, you guys tell me, looks like it might be a fairy dust. This looks like a fairy dust. This looks like a metallic or a crystal. Let's look here. See, this is why you're on here with me. This is why you're on here with me. So it doesn't list anywhere what kind of things, but if you look here, you can see there's kind of like the metallic. There's the crystal. Yeah, so we're gonna have some fun here. We're gonna have some fun here. All right, so let's do the black. I got my handy dandy scissors here. My mom actually made these. Aren't these pretty? So these are just little scissors, and then she did this beautiful, and then, isn't that pretty? All right, sorry, you're not here to see what my mom did. You're here. You're like train wreck, thumbs down. Never coming back. Never coming back. All right. Let's see here. Shake, shake, shake. Let's see how this does. Look at that. Look at how those lined up so perfectly. So beautiful. Absolutely gorgeous. All right. So that was one. And then we look on here, and these are all ones. And then how does this work? This works because there's plastic here. So we're going to take the plastic. See, there's the plastic. We have our pen. All right, I'm going to take that off. We're going to dip. Look at that. Dip and stick. Dip and stick. Dip, dip, and stick. Dip and stick. Dip, dip, and stick. There you go. Now, because I was showing you, I took too much, because it doesn't take a lot of putty. So I took too much putty out. So I took some putty off. So now there's just enough putty on there. There we go. Again, remember, I don't have my glasses on. So, there you go. Dip and stick. Dip and stick. All right. That's going to be gorgeous. And then you've got your little tray. You're going to put his little feet in the tray after you take the plastic off. And there you go. You got your sparkle friend. Your sparkle friend. He's right there. Lucius. He's like, I'm going to be ready to help take over the Harry Potter world. And all his pretty friends. And his little owl, too. All right, guys. Well, thank you so much for watching this sneak peek. I hope you collect all the Harry Potter friends and enjoy your new Sparkle Pals. So until next time, be blessed. Take care. See you later. Bye-bye.